So the first thing you can do is checking your emails. Just so you know that YouTube TV account will always be a Google Mail or Gmail account. So you need to check on your own Gmail. You want to go signing into the specific account. And then on the search bar, you want to search for Welcome to YouTube TV or YouTube TV billing statement. These emails were sent to the email address associated with your YouTube TV account. So you can do it on each of your email that you can remember having a subscription for YouTube TV by go to your top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture. And then on all of your account, you can just check one by one. And then if you ever see YouTube TV listed there after you search on it, then the specific account of your email is the one that you have been searching for. And then the second one, you want to go to google.com and then you want to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And then click on manage your Google account right here below your profile picture. After that, you want to go to payment and subscription. And then here at the payment methods, you can just click on manage payment methods. And then here at the Google Payment Center, you want to go to subscription and services. Just click on it. And then here on the active one, if you ever see YouTube TV list like I do right here, then that specific account is the one that you have been searching for. You can do it again on each of your email that you can remember having a subscription for YouTube TV by doing it as before. And then the last one, you can contact YouTube TV support if you are still having a trouble figuring out which account you have YouTube TV subscription on. You can call for the support for help. To do it, you want to go to Google and then search for YouTube TV help. And then you want to choose the first one that says support.google.com. Just click on it. And then here you can just scroll down until you see on need more help and then click on contact us. And for a complete video guide on how to contact YouTube TV customer service, you can just click the link on the comment section. And that's how to check what YouTube TV account that have subscription or paid membership. If you do have any question, please comment down below. I will try the best as I can do. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.